Hey, authors or writers who want to be authors. If you've been working on a book for some time or want to write a book, then I'd love to share some magic with you. I'm KamalaDevi, and I'm the author of a handful of books, some of which were self-published, some published by trade publishers, and some are still being published. And over the last 10 years, I've been coaching and mentoring other writers on a 90-day journey called How to Write a Book in 90 Days. And what's so unique about this program is that there's a lot of information out there, really valuable information about how, tips and tools and practices on writing a book, which can be empowering, sometimes overwhelming. But this course is not designed to create a bigger gap between, ooh, here's everything I know, but here's what I'm actually doing. It's designed to close that gap so that you're doing the best practices in a challenge. Over 90 days, you actually get results. So I've got, dozens of successful and satisfied authors who've written books as a result of this program. And the journey is really a step by step. Everybody knows you've got to break down the elephant and just eat it bit by bit. But how do you break it down? That's the question. And where do you start? And where, what to do next? And that's why I have a very specific video each week with valuable information and hacks and homework and tools that will very specifically say, this is where you need to be on the journey if you're going to finish this season. Like, imagine in just a couple of months, having your entire manuscript complete. And what that means is you're going to go from the pre-writing, which is a very deep planning phase, to the writing phase, which is more like a channeling and a downloading. And this course is truly for mystics or spiritually minded community. If you're just left brain, you're not going to get it. But a lot of my medicine is empowering your natural ability to just bring your message through, like not just from the realm of inspiration, but into the material, like darkening the page and actually producing pages in a practical, accountable way. And all I'm asking actually is for 10 hours a week. So imagine dedicating 10 hours a week to your passion project and getting expert guidance along the way. And then after the final segment is actually about rewriting and editing. And we also go into packaging and marketing and whether you want to self-publish or publish. And that's all really valuable to have in mind even before you finish your book. But that final piece is around the craft of writing, which is where you not just play with the words so that it it sings on the page, but really refining your message and bringing it all the way home, kind of like ending the book with poetry. And so this journey is now available, like after, doing it over and over and refining it, I want to make it accessible to more people who are attracted to the same, bringing love and light and evolution to the planet, because I think we're in a critical time in which the world needs your message. And so I want to make it affordable and easy. And so for the first time, I'm actually offering it at an honorarium. It has videos and the interaction through a Facebook group as well. So happy to be in connection with you and to feel a tribe of like-minded writers who are also doing similar work in the world. If you feel called to join us, I'll add all the details below and look forward to co-creating with you. Blessings.